Hi everyone, welcome back to Sun's Arts. If you're new, welcome to the family. DIY number 1. For this, I'm going to take one of this largest canvas board from Dollar and I'm going to remove the plastic casing and I'm going to draw borders like 1 inch gap from the borders just like that, and I'm also going to make like a little bit of scallops in the inside part of the rectangle, and I'm taking this ceramic coat think pink as the color of my background, and I'm also filling that scalloped that I actually made a drawing of using my flat brush, and I'm just going to do like a couple of coats to get like a nice pink tone that I want to. And I'm also painting the inner part of the with ceramic coat bright yellow paint, and this is how it looks after a couple of coats. I'm taking the jute twine and I'm just basically bordering the inner part of the board with a dab of a hot glue, and basically I'm trying to separate that as a border and the inner part of the frame, and this is how I'm going to work my way through completing the whole I don't know what is this called, rectangle with scalloped edges. And I'm taking one of this used applesauce container. I ran a heated knife through the center of the container and I got like one half like that, and I'm taking like a thick rope, burlap rope, and then I'm basically taking like a one strand of it which has got like a couple of layers, and then I'm trying to stick on top of this plastic container, so basically cover the whole of this plastic stuff, and it looks like as though it's a burlap basket. That's the look I'm going over here, and I'm going to work my way to completely cover the plastic container. So I'm taking a little bit of a hot glue and I'm just taking a bit by bit and I'm trying to attach it, and this is how it looks after it is completely ready. I took a little bit of a hot glue all around it and I'm just sticking it to the canvas, little above the yellow part of the canvas, just like that. I took a couple of bunches of pink flowers and I'm just attaching 4 flowers on 4 corners like that, and I'm taking some of this beautiful pink rose with the leaves attached to it, so I wanted to give like a fuller look and also looks natural with the leaves, so I just left the leaves there. I took some of this beautiful lavenderish pink flowers and some greenery and also some blue flowers from one of the garland. I just bent the flower into 4 times and then I folded it and hot glued it around the basket just like that. I'm also going to take some of this greenery and this white flowers and I'm going to insert it to give like a more fuller look to it. I have this blue lace ribbon and I'm making a beautiful bow out of that, and I stuck it on top of it, and this is how it looks after it is stuck and ready. And see how gorgeous this turned out, and this is one of the Shabby Chic wall hanging with the pop-up. Look how gorgeous is this ceramic coat think pink. So like you saw the process, I just hung a small basket which is stuck to the canvas and some pink roses, and I also have like a bluish lavender color rose in the center and pink flowers in the border, some greenery and also some blue flowers. And I love how the yellow and pink is being separated with the twine as though it looks like I have a thick border frame for this whole picture. So this is one of the Shabby Chic Valentine themed wall hanging DIY that I wanted to share with you all today. I hope you enjoyed watching and working. So you have to let me know what you think in the comment section. This video is part of Plaid giveaway playlist, and this is a humongous playlist with 24 great creators, and this is hosted by Annie or Indiana Jones. I'm extremely happy to be part of this collab with these great creators, and there is a huge giveaway from Plaid company itself. All you have to do is enter the Plaid product each creator is saying in their video, and you have to enter it within Jan 21st for US residents only. And I'm going to leave the link of the Plaid website, and I also will leave the links of these amazing creators and the playlist in my description box. And now let's move on to DIY number 2. For this DIY, I'm using one of this used lotion container, and I've just painted with painted finishes dimensional moss paint, and I also let it dry with some twine on the top. And I'm going to use one of this distress picture frame, and I'm going to attach this bottle on top of it using permanent glue and also hot glue. I'm going to insert some flowers in there. That's the look I wanted to go with. And I'm taking 2 of this frosted greenery, and using dab of a hot glue, I'm attaching the 2 of them on top. And I'm also taking one of this lace cotton ribbon, creating a bow on the top, and attached few yellow flowers in the center of the bow. I took a piece of a cardboard and then I cut into heart shaped few of them, and I attached on either side of the bottle just like that, and I attached a rose in the center, and this is how it looks after it is all decorated. I'm just loving this beautiful romantic Valentine DIY, so you have to let me know what you think about this. On to DIY number 3. For this, I'm going to use one of this used candle jar, and I cleaned, and I'm going to paint this with Ceramcoat Think Pink paint, and I'm just giving like a couple of coats of this Ceramcoat Think Pink paint. And after it is dried, this is how it looks. And I'm taking one of this beautiful lace ribbon that I have in my craft stash, and using one of this roller blade, I'm going to cut into several pieces, and this is going as a bow on top of the jar. And off camera, I also painted few of these wooden beads, and with the same Ceramcoat Think Pink paint. And I'm just taking like a couple of pieces of this lace ribbon, and also I have this pink lace ribbon also. I'm going to cut into several strips using the roller blade again. I also have few of the other pink shade ribbons that I have in my stash, some white ribbon and some pink lace ribbon, and also one of the fully white lace ribbon. And now I'm taking this wooden beads that I painted with Ceramcoat Think Pink paint, and I'm attaching that to the bottom of the jar. Basically, I have 4 of them. I'm just taking it on like equidistance of all the 4 of them, and then this is how it looks after it is all attached. And I wanted to basically give like a little bit elevation to that, and I'm taking one of this lace cotton ribbon, and I'm circulating it around the mouth of the jar. As the theme of today's video is Shabby Chic Valentine DIY, so this is how it looks after I attached the lace ribbon. And now I'm arranging all of these lace ribbons that we cut, and I'm just placing it on top of each other, and I'm taking one of the another lace ribbon, and I'm tying it all together to create like a messy bow, and I'm trying to attach that on top of the jar just like that. This is so pretty already. I'm just loving this. And I'm going to take one of the flowers from this soft wood beige color flower, and I'm going to attach that in the center of the bow just like that. Now my Shabby Chic Valentine vase is ready with flowers on top, and I attached some of this pink roses and some white flowers and some another bunch of white flowers with some greenery. I'm just loving this romantic pink vase with this beautiful pink roses everywhere. I wanted to slowly show what are all the ribbons I have given. Like one is the white lace, pink lace, and also have like satin ribbon, light pink, dark pink, white satin, and also completely fully lace ribbon with some cotton lace ribbon. Everything combined together, I created like a messy bow, and I attached 4 of these wooden beads painted in Ceramcoat Think Pink paint to the jar, and this to give like a little elevation, and it also gives like a beautiful decor to the whole flower vase. So I'm just loving this. So you have to let me know what you think in the comment section. So these are my few of the Shabby Chic Valentine themed DIYs. that used Ceramcoat Think Pink paint as the main theme here, and I'm just loving each and every one of it. So you have to let me know which one is your favorite, and you have any suggestions towards my channel. I would appreciate that. Like I always say, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, I hope you would consider subscribing, liking and sharing. Thank you so much for watching today, and I'll see you again.